TCM's personal grooming products are created for today's classic man. We believe every man deserves to look his best every day, made with high-quality, cruelty-free ingredients that benefit your skin, hair, and scalp. You're a man who enjoys a classic wet shave experience, one that leaves your skin smooth and clean. But if you don't protect your face as you tackle tough beard hair, you might be dealing with itchiness, prickly redness, and an increased risk of ingrown hairs and razor bumps. TCM Shave Cream will prevent your shaving issues. It provides a close, comfortable shave that's soothing and won't irritate your face. Free of dyes, parabens, and sulfates, it contains 7 moisture-rich, vitamin-enriching, and anti-inflammatory ingredients, such as aloe vera, green tea extract, peppermint oil, and shea butter, which aid in preventing inflammation and razor bumps. To use, wash your face with warm to hot water and leave it slightly damp. Scoop a nickel to quarter-sized amount of cream with your favorite mole hair brush and lather up in your shave bowl. Apply TCM Shave Cream to your face in a circular motion. Proceed to shave with your razor, remembering to shave with the grain. Rinse and repeat until finished. When finished, rinse with cold water and pat dry. Shaving can be an irritating process for the skin, so calming it down during the shave is important. For a close, gentle shave that's comfortable, soothing, and irritation-free, use TCM Shave Cream.